Hello guys, welcome to the Indian Review channel. Today I'm going to review a new product. It's a LED ring light. It's used to take photographs using a mobile phone or SLR camera or any camera. You can use it for making videos. You can use it in various different scenarios. I got this LED during the sale from Amazon for 379 rupees, which is really a very good deal. Now coming to the packaging, it comes in a cardboard box with bubble wrapping in it. And for this price, it's really great deal. And now the power supply is given from a 5-volt USB port. Now it comes with various accessories for attaching your mobile phone. This is the mobile holder attachment. It extends, and here's a screw head part for the telescopic mobile holder attachment, or the rod attaches, so you can move the direction or the angle in which you want to place the mobile in. This is the metal extension rod. It's completely made of metal and it's kind of heavy. I'll show you how to fix it. Take the metal ball end of it and put it in and tighten the screw head. It fixes into place the mobile phone. Now the metal extension rod is, since it's made of metal, it's not that flexible, but it's I would say it will be durable. Now let's take a look at the mobile phone. This is the Oppo F9. It fits fine. It's a 6.3 inch phone, and this is my Mi Max 2. It's really wide compared to this phone, and it's a 6.5 inch phone. Let's try it out. And by the way, this Mi Max is around 210 grams weight, and it also fits perfectly. This is the last attachment. It connects the LED ring light, the mobile phone holder, on top of a tripod. It has got a metal ball at the bottom, which you can change the direction, and outside there's a screw head which you can tighten and fix the location. Now let's take a look at the LED ring. It's made of plastic, the one you'd see on a LED tube light. The back part is made of black plastic. Only at the bottom part you have got the mounting screw heads. One bottom one goes to the tripod mount, and on top you can attach the mobile attachments. The cable has a USB end to it, and a control buttons are there. The cable is fairly long. I would say it would be around 5 to 6 feet. I haven't measured it. Now this is the control panel. You have an on-off button, and you have a temperature control switch and a brightness up-down switch. Now I'm going to plug it in to USB power bank. See, the power button lights up blue LED. Now this is the warm color temperature. Now if you select this button on the middle, it changes to cool and daylight. 3 color temperatures are there: warm, cool and daylight. The brightness, I would say it's alright. From 5 volt power supply, I would say it's more than sufficient. Now if you compare with high-end professional grade LED rings which you see at studios, compared to it's little bit way dimmer, but for home time, like if you're doing photography in your home, a small office, it's more than enough. Now the brightness level, there are 9 level of brightness, and if you click on it, keep on clicking on it, you can get 9 level, and if you keep it pressed, you'll get a smooth level of brightness. So company claims it's 26 centimeters. Let's take a measure. Side to side is showing 25 centimeters. I would say 26 centimeters is from top to bottom. There are different models. It's around some have 45 centimeters, some have 35 centimeters. The price range varies. This one was the highest selling and the most cheapest one, so I got this. There are a few which cost more than 1,000 and 1,500 rupees, so I didn't really need those. So 10 inches. Now I fit it on my tripod, and this is how the attachment is going to look like. And I'm going to show you how it's going to look on the camera video. So it definitely makes a difference in the lighting condition. So if you're doing videos like me, it will really help me out. If you're taking portrait shots, close-up shots, you can really brighten up the scene. And it's really portable. You don't need a flashlight or carry a light around. You just take it with you, use a power bank, and you can take really nice photos. I would say the handle is not that sturdy. I don't trust the handle. It wobbles a little bit. So anyway, for the price, you can't complain. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.